So Otaku finally announced it. They announced that Otakon 26, which is really called Otakon 2021, but I will not use the word Otakon 2021 due to the great lockdowns disrupted over 50 years of convention continuity. Now going from now on, and when people say Otakon 2021, I'm going to say Otakon 26. Since it's officially the 26th convention of Otaku generation, Otakon online will not count as a convention. So for all intents and purposes, I'm going to say it says Otakon 26. Now Otaku, the people behind Otakon, has announced that Otakon 26 is a go. And they have an obvious statement saying that we're committed to the health and safety of our members. But at the same time, the statement is making it very clear that they want to go back to normal or close to normal as possible. So basically, they're going to do the bare minimum. Basically, if everything goes right, on June 10th, when DC finally opens completely, we may have a normal Otakon. We may have a normal anime convention. A close to normal anime convention as possible. But a lot of weebs are against a normal anime convention, even if vaccinated, because there are a few people who are begging for masks, begging for sanitation fear with this announcement, which is really unfeasible because summer is almost here and Corona-chan will be going away for good. I mean, we're getting close to 70% of people getting the Corona-chan vaccine. So basically, we should not hear the word Corona-chan ever again. Ever. I mean, seriously, people are so hysterical through the media that they're so used to Corona-chan culture that they want to keep wearing masks for as long as possible. They want everyone to wear masks so everyone can virtue signal. But me, no. I'm not paying $100 to be subject to sanitation fear and mandatory mask wearing for 14 hours straight per day. Seriously, I want a back to normal event, or an event that is close to normal as possible in 2019 standards. I mean, seriously. It's been 15 months since a normal anime convention. Would you want some normalcy in your life after 15 years of being stuck at home? Now, anyway, now I'm still holding off on buying a badge unless I have to. So in the event that I had to buy a badge, and they did pull some surprise restriction, I just want to buy one anyway, and I'm not going to attend the event. I'm going to keep the badge as a keepsake. Because I'm not going to buy a $100 badge for $100 and be subject to hygiene fear and mask wearing. I don't want to think about Corona-chan. I just want to go back to normal. But a lot of weebs don't want normal. Now, a lot of weebs outside of Twitter and Facebook want normalcy. But weebs in Twitter, most of them, they want to continue the Corona-chan culture that they enjoyed for the dopamine hit. But these same people, I mean seriously, their statement is clear. They want their statement from Otakon is clear. They want a back to normal event. They'll do the bare minimum as possible by law. Because once January 10th hits, and they give back to normal a statement called back to normal, if they get a thing saying we're back to normal on June 11th or the 10th, I will be definitely buying a badge. I will be definitely buying a badge. And I'll support the event. Now, if June 11th comes and they're not saying anything, I'm going to hold off. But at the same time, on June 10th, if they say if they're going back to normal, I will buy a badge and I will proceed with the events. I mean, with the projects I've been holding off since 2019. First is the All Roads Lead to Otakon. It's just going to be me just talking about the ways to get to the convention. It's not going to be a full video presentation. But it's going to be me talking about the events. Me talking about how to get to the convention, to the final convention. And I will be making a full video presentation in 2022. Another interesting video are basically cheap eats at Otakon. That's another video. That will be a full presentation video. It'll be a full presentation video. Now, ever since the Great Lockdowns, I have been taking 15 months to slowly upgrade my gear, including a new camera. This new 4K camera. And you're going to be seeing this during Otakon if the convention is going back to normal on June 10th or 11th. And you're going to be seeing this as well. This body cam here. Normally I'll use this, use my head cam to capture footage that is available, that I need to get on, that I need to click on, I need to turn on, and at the same time I don't have time to actually turn my regular camcorder or my cell phone camcorder. But this body cam, I can just turn this on and leave it on until I go back to the hotel room. And all I can do is just recharge this device, and it's good to go for another 8 hours. So I don't need the head cam that much anymore unless I'm playing at the arcade video game room. And if this convention is truly going back to normal, it's really good news for those who living in California that have been starving for any anime convention for the summer you can go to. Because Anime AX cut out. They cut out and pulled a virtual con for 2021, which no one wants. Seriously, if you have the money to travel to Washington, D.C., I would really book a plane ticket as soon as possible. Seriously, book a plane ticket for Washington, D.C. if you live in California. And if you're starving, go to an anime convention. Seriously, I will welcome you with open arms. Californians who are sick and tired of being locked in their homes, stuck in their homes. Seriously, we're welcoming you to Otakon. I will personally welcome you to Otakon with open arms. Maybe I should schedule a meetup somewhere in the convention. During the convention. So that's it. If Otakon tells us we're going back to normal on June 10th or 11th, there will be an update video, a brief update video, possibly a longer update video. And that's it. See you in the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe. And Otakon, please bring back the sports theme.